Welcome to Shetland Library, where we're going to do a very unusual launch event of my book, The Man Who Talks to Birds. Accompanying me are Catherine and Karen, who are going to be filming this. They both work at Shetland Library, and also my good friends Donald Anderson, who will be singing songs about birds, plus my other friend in Lewis, well now he's staying in Harris, Iain Maciver. I hope you enjoy the wee snippets of verse and song that we're going to provide you with over the next couple of days. Okay. This is a set of poems I wrote about, and particularly in the early months of lockdown, which I thought was one of the most strange experiences, most surreal experiences of my life. This is Awakenings, and it links with Iain's song about the birds that we're about to hear afterwards. Awakenings. At 6 o'clock or so this morning, they broke out of social isolation, their songs a mix of celebration, wooing, warning, as they rejoiced in close proximity within a garden edged by trees. Did I envy them, these starling sparrows? Yes, for the way they recklessly embraced their neighbours' feathers, squabbled, beak to face, swirled into the distance, unlike those of us who've bunkered down, the grounded human race.
This song is called Chlein Me na Heoin, or in English, I Heard the Birds, and it tells about the sound of birdsong that the bard hears as he goes about his daily chores. The sound of thrushes, skylarks, cuckoos, even swans and moorhens. Chlein me na Heoin, spílim na Heoin, na Heoin, na Heoin, boy och ringe, chlein me na Heoin, spílim na Heoin. Spílim hína a mi geiste, a bín chéitin sprí a siúlig, chlein me na Heoin, spílim na Heoin, na Heoin, na Heoin, boy och ringe, chlein me na Heoin, spílim na Heoin. Spílim spiorach vagig, is shagan, some spiri immer, chlein me na Heoin, spílim na Heoin, na Heoin, na Heoin, boy och ringe, chlein me na Heoin, spílim na Heoin. Spílim callach guri torstar, skarken
notice most about lockdown is how it brought the past back to me, because I grew up in a small village called South Dell, Ness at the top of Lewis, and it was almost as if I'd been transported back there during the whole time of the lockdown. You know, it was a time when we didn't have a car, for instance, so you were effectively locked down, particularly in the summer holidays. So this is Quarth in Quarantine 2020. And here we are, transported to our father's age, confined to our 8 acres, caged within Croftland, talking across a neighbour's fence in soft rain or sunlight. Soon we'll cross back into their time, speak of hours employed on the hydro dams, bringing power to darkened peaks and glens, recall too merchant navy decks, years in hotel or service, check there's enough feed for every brood of hens pecking around manure heaps, knowing we depend on the shit-smeared eggs and plucked flesh we harvest from these birds, no longer now enmeshed by all that once pressed hard upon us. A new birth, a new beginning, different, terrifying, fresh.